The reason why I did a fast video is simply because I messed up a bit on the music, but apart from that, like I say, these are good. They're good for running. They stay in your ears perfectly well. They don't stick out too much. The bass isn't brilliant on them, but what do you expect for $12.99? But like I say, these other ones that I've had in the past, which have not been Bluetooth 5, are much better, as in bass, things like that. I did a test on them. You know, you can go quite far away. I've had these and played music upstairs with them in my ears, but my phone was downstairs and I've got a solid wall house. So they do work pretty well in that aspect, but are they waterproof? I don't know. It says they are up to splash proof and resistant, so if they're shower proof, I don't know, and I'm not going to test it. Maybe I will do in the future. If I do, I'll do a video on that. I do have some more videos coming. I've got 3 new skins coming. I've got 1 already that I need to do. So my phone is going to go through another transformation soon. And yeah, see you guys soon. Stay safe and stay indoors.